Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent your device from erasing all data, all right, on your device, okay, when someone else or even you, all right, if you forget the password, for example, right, and you try to enter the passcode, right, wrong, okay, 10 times, okay. So for example, let's say that this device is locked, okay, now, okay, it read my Face ID, okay. Okay, let's see, okay, now it requires, okay, yeah, the passcode, okay. As you can see, guys, now if I try to enter the passcode right wrong, okay, let's say that, okay, I've done this, okay, yeah, all right, this is like I did it for twice, okay. If I try to do the same thing, okay, for 10 times, right, and I, for example, we can say enter the wrong passcode, okay, the device itself will erase all the data, okay, on this device. To stop this from happening, okay, all you need to do, guys, okay, go to the settings, right, and then scroll down to the Face ID and passcode, okay, and then as you can see, one failed passcode attempt, okay. Now I'm gonna enter the passcode, right, okay, and then I'm having access to this, okay, to here. And then after that, scroll down to the very bottom of this page, okay, and we have this option available here, right? So it says erase data, okay. Now, if I enable it, all right, so next time when someone enters the passcode, all right, we can say wrong passcode 10 times, okay, all the data, okay, all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts will be erased, okay. This is not only for like someone who finds your iPhone somewhere else, okay, even for example, your kids, okay, can do this, okay. So of course, I mean, it is a big problem, all right, for some people, right, when a kid or someone else, right, enters, right, the wrong passcode for 10 times, okay, everything will be gone, believe me, okay. So to stop this, okay, all you need to do, okay, go to the Face ID and passcode, scroll down to the very bottom of that page, okay, and then, all right, stop it. Just turn it off from here, all right, and then no matter how many times you enter the wrong passcode, and that's it, all right. Please consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos like this one, and share with your friends if it helped. See you next time.